So here we are yet again, basically in the same place we were yesterday. We continue this trend of not being able to break out. We continue to stay in these same places. We're still at this 1.23, down 1%. Bitcoin and Ethereum, 29.8 and 1,700 respectively. And if you look at the last 24 hours for Bitcoin, we did, which is, I'm taking this as a positive, we did peak up and get up over 30,000, and we actually got to 30,663. But we were pushed back to 29.8 and change. You can see we've been as low as 29.6, so we're on a little bit of the lower end of the 24-hour spectrum for Bitcoin. Ethereum not faring as well. Ethereum has had more movement in it and is now languishing, that's your word of the day, at 1,700 and change. It's been at 1,800. So it's just kind of, technical term, So here's where we're at. We know what's going on. I'm going to remind you of this. Going to remind you of the fact that we've got a situation playing out here where we've got a tremendous amount of fear, uncertainty, and doubt. We've dropped back to a 10 from a 13 yesterday, and the entire basically month of June we were in this kind of range, okay, and not good, quite frankly. And one of these scenarios that's really what this is this continues to be the same narrative that we're fighting, is that you have I think you have kind of, if you look at the news and what's on the TV, is a recession here or not, or whatever it is, whether it's here or not is irrelevant to me. What I focus on is human behavior, and human behavior is, quite frankly, bottom line, telling us that people are scared, okay, and that people are holding on to their money and not using their money to invest in crypto and or really stocks, okay, for the most part. And so, because you got to realize, if you take a step back and go, when you go to the gas pump and gas is at insane high rates and it costs you double or more to fill up for that same tank that it used to, that is a lot of money that you don't have in your pocket anymore. It creates fear. You go to the grocery store and you try to, you're buying milk, eggs, cheese, fruit, just, all the stuff that the basic needs, and it costs you more. That creates fear. That creates, fear where nobody really wants to move forward and do anything. And that is impacting crypto. It absolutely is, okay? It's impacting the stocks. You can see that everything is down dramatically from over time, right? Everything is massively down. When you go from a $2 trillion market cap to 1.23, there you go, okay? Now, is this a doom and gloom? Is everything horrible? No, it will come back. I firmly believe, not investing advice, right? It will come back. I'm not worried about it in the long run. It just sucks right now. I mean, it does. And that's kind of where we're at, right? And this is just meant to be more of a conversation with you guys about the fact of what I'm seeing and what's transpiring. I could get into technical things and this and this and this, but at the end of the day, this is about human behavior. And this is about, all these kind of things, and just kind of telling you what is going on and try to keep you aware of all these factors. Now, there's more to it. There's macroeconomic factors beyond everything I've said. There's all these personal, feelings in billions of investors worldwide. Then there's, again, there's fear of recession. There's inflation. All of the thing I talked about, discretionary income. There's the continued looming Russia-Ukraine war. COVID, it's impacting Asia, China, things of that name. Global supply chain disruptions across everything, and all of that is adding up to a tremendously fear, uncertainty, and doubt environment. That's what I got. All right. Thanks for giving me a few minutes of your day. I'll see you.